Yo, yo, what up, New Jersey? What's up, world? It's your boy Frankie Four Fingers, and I'm here with a special episode of the Cannabis Masses podcast. Because today, I'm going to be reviewing a half-gram cart from Fernway. The reason why I'm so excited today is because this cart is my favorite flower strain of all time, Gorilla Glue number 4. When I was able to get my hands on a Fernway cart, and I saw that they had Gorilla Glue number 4 as a strain, there was no doubt in my mind this is where I wanted to go. So I thought I would share the experience with you. Fernway's a brand that's started in Massachusetts, but they're making their way all over New Jersey. So I implore you to check out your local dispensary, and if they have Fernway, definitely check out one of their products. They have disposable, half-gram, and full-gram carts, so today we'll be doing the half-gram cart. But before I jump into that, I do want to review, or at least go over a product that we're going to use with this, and that's the stylus from Fernway. Now, the half-gram carts use a standard 510 thread, so if you already have a battery, you don't need to invest in the Fernway stylus. But it is a very, very sleek design and works well, pairs well with the cart. So you have a really nice aluminum case to protect on the outside. You have the battery itself. It's round, super sleek, nice matte finish. We have a charger. It's going to be the USB 510 thread, screws right in. And last, the nice accessory that I'll be able to demonstrate once we put the cart on is a pen cap. You have the cart on, be super discreet, looks just like a pen. All right, so that's the accessory I'm going to use. Now let's jump into the cart. Really nice Fernway packaging. The strain collection, which is a collection that's going to be more true to the taste of the flower. They have another collection which is going to be more of the fruitier styles, if that's what you're into. But I'm not really a cart guy by nature. I'm a flower guy. And you'll learn that more and more as you watch the episodes. So I am a little bit more scrutinous on vape carts. And, because of that, my personal so I wanted to go with something that's going to be more true to flower. So, and Gorilla Glue number 4 being my favorite strain, this is it. So we'll see. I may be having a high standard for Fernway here, their carts. So, all right, nice packaging here, nice display. Got the Fernway sticker, instructions, some hardware spec info on the cart itself, which is really nice. There's the terpene profile, beta-myrcene, terpinolene, delta-limonene, the top 3 terpenes. And, all right, here we go. It's the card itself. The nice translucent gold color. What I like about this cart is it has a nice label on the bottom. It says Fernway. And then GG number 4. So you don't have to really remember once you have it on the battery. It'll tell you the exact strain you have. So if you have multiple carts, if you have, sativas, hybrids, indicas, you can have these laying around with multiple batteries and know exactly which strain it is. So I think that's pretty cool. And, screw it on here. Mouthpiece is round. It's pretty nice. So it doesn't matter where you put it in. Alright. Cheers, guys. Wow. That's a good wow. Yeah. I gotta say, for being a flower guy, this is a really good strain. This is a really good cart. Most of the time, almost all the time, with a vape cart, my body doesn't agree with it. I'll sneeze and cough right away. And I don't get that with this. So that's a really good first sign on, I think, the testaments of the quality. I don't know why, but my body just reacts that way when I hit a cart. I just get that sneeze. So I could definitely be super discreet with something like this. The taste reminds me of Gorilla Glue so much. It's got just that earthy, gassy feel. Oh, man. Yeah. That's just such a great taste. Not harsh on the throat at all. Super easy. That's a very high quality cart. Yeah. Man. Damn, I think Fernway is really going to change my mind on that and my expectations on carts. Because it's, they're setting the standard. So for me, if other companies want me to consider their package or their product rather, they're going to at least have to meet this sort of standard, which is, I think, extremely high. This is a great car. Yeah, I would put this at like you know 8 or 9 out of 10, probably like 8.5 out of 10. This is really really good. So yeah, definitely hit up your local dispensary, see if they have Fernway. If not, ask them if it's on the way because it should be rolling out in more dispensaries across New Jersey. I'm your boy Frankie Four Fingers. Thank you so much for tuning in.